Let's make ginger honey chili wings today. For making this, in 1 kg wings, we add 1 tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 tablespoon of paprika powder. After all these ingredients, mix it well along with 2 whole eggs. After marinated the wings, now we prepare our dust. For making dust, simply sift half kg of all-purpose flour, then seasoning with 1 tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and a tablespoon of paprika powder. Mix all dry ingredients well and set aside. Now it's time to coat our wings. Take a marinated wings with your right hand and simply coat it with your left hand. Make sure do not touch wet hands while coating, otherwise the flour starts getting wet and the coating will become thicker. Dust your wings in a desired batch, like I make a 10 of batch here so I can easily fry in my wok. After putting up your wings, take them rest for a minute so our coating becomes stable, and then change aside with the slicer and rest it for other 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, remove all wings from oil and set aside. Your fried wings are ready to eat. Now you can serve it with ketchup or other sauces, but we make ginger honey chili wings here, so we make sauce for them. For making a sauce, we slice julienne slice ginger here. I take 1 small piece of ginger and slice here with a knife finely. You can see the slice here. Make sure your slice should be thin as you can. In a pan, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of used oil. Add 1 cup of Thai sweet chili sauce. I used here this one, and add a ginger, sliced ginger, and add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and mix it well. In boiling stage, we add 1 cup of light soya sauce and mix it well. Cook the sauce while the sauce becomes thicker. After you have your desired consistency, put your sauce over the wings and mix it well. Look, our consistency will become thicker. Our sauce is completely cooked now, and put your sauce over the wings and mix it well. Our ginger honey chili wings are ready to present. Now we take one desired plate, and put 3 wings on it, 1 spoon of mayonnaise, and make a design from the mayonnaise. I use simple mayonnaise here, a creamy mayonnaise. Then put the cherry potatoes on it, some Thai chili cut of 2 pieces, and design your desired vegetables here, like I use olives and cherry potatoes and Thai chili, then spring it with some sesame seeds and spring onion, and your plate is ready to eat. Now enjoy your wings, and don't forget to comment and feedback me. Thank you.